Okay, students, we are moving right along through chapter 5, and today we're going to be talking about the coordinate plane. Our I can statement would be I can graph ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. I can graph ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. They also call that a learning target. So this is our learning target. All right, read with me silently as I read aloud. The x-axis and y-axis separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions called quadrants. All right, we have what they call the x-axis. Be a good idea, guys, on your notes right here to go ahead and highlight that or something. This is the x-axis, and this is what we call the y-axis. I want to show you something. I always do this. See how that makes a y at the top? That's how you can remember that's the y-axis. All right, now that separates it into 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. So in other words, this is quadrant 1, this section right here. This is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. They have it labeled down here. I want you to notice that they use Roman numerals though when they talk about quadrants. So in other words, quadrant 1 of course is just the one little dash, quadrant 2 is the 2 dashes, quadrant 3 is the 3 dashes, Roman numerals, and then quadrant 4 is the IV. Okay, really important to know that. Something else is right here. I want you to draw an arrow pointing right there to where X and Y intersect. That is what is called the origin. And the ordered pairs for the origin is 0, 0. All right, so let's identify the ordered pair that names point A. Okay, so step 1, you're going to start at the origin, and we just identified what that is. So you're going to start at the origin. Well, A is located right here in quadrant 2, so you are going to move from the origin, you're going to move left on the x-axis to find the x coordinate. Yes, you need to be writing this. That's not the end of the sentence, sorry. Of point A. Point A is -3. So starting at the origin, knowing I'm trying to get to A, I'm going to say -1, -2, -3, because you can see that it's located right there on -3. Okay, so we know that we're at -3. So let's just do that. A is -3, comma. We're going to get the y now. So step 2, move up the y-axis to find the y coordinate. Which is 4. All right, let's make sure that is true. Starting at the origin, we go left, -1, -2, -3, and then we move up 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ordered pair for A is negative 3, positive 4. Okay, if I asked you to reflect A over the y axis, okay, and then we're going to write the ordered pair for that. Here's the y-axis right here. So if I were to reflect this directly over the y-axis, it would land right here. Do you see that? So if I reflected this over the y-axis, it would be located right here. So let's do that. Let's plot that. We're going to label it A with a little 1 at the bottom. That's the reflected A. So we would say A with the little dash right there is located at 1, 2, 3. So positive 3. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 4. Is that easy? All right, example number 2. We're going to continue to use this grid up here, and we need to identify the point located at 5, 4. I'm not going to ask you to write these steps again, so we're just going to go starting at the origin, trying to get to B. All right, so we are going to definitely figure out where B is located. We're going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're moving right, so that means it's positive 5. And then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's positive 4. So B would be located at 5, 4. Now, if I asked you to reflect B over the x-axis, okay, it's here, we need to reflect it over this axis right here because this is x. So we would just, here, notice that it's up here at 4, so it's going to be down here at negative 4. Okay, so, and we would say B with the little dash. So B, the reflected B, let's see where that's located, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's still positive 5, but we're going down now, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So the reflected B is located at 5, negative 4. Okay, so for your exercises, you're doing the exact same thing we just did. You're going to locate C, and then you're going to write where it is located. Remember to start at the origin, and you're going to get out of bed before you get up. So you're going to move left and right first before you move up and down. And then on the other side, they're actually going to ask you to name the point. So for example, negative 2, positive 3. So negative 2 means I go left, negative 1, negative 2, and then positive 3, 1, 2, 3. So guys, it's that easy. You're simply going to write what is located there. All right, guys, good luck. Practice, then come back, get a key, and then grade it for accuracy. Good luck.